Hey friends, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. You guys, I am so excited to be bringing this video to you today, and we have a wig sister to thank for it. I'm here to introduce you to a resource that I'm pretty sure most of you are not familiar with. I'm here to talk about Ciara Priestley and Headscarves by Ciara. Ciara is a cancer survivor. She created a line of wigs, both synthetic and human hair, that are unique, and I haven't seen anything like it. I'm so excited to tell you about it, and a wig sister turned me on to this resource. She purchased, I think she purchased an active wig like what I have on my head off of Etsy and told me all about it, and so I got in contact with them, actually with Ciara, and I asked if they'd like to partner on a review because I'd love to bring this unique resource to all of you, my wig sisters. She said yes, and today you're going to learn all about it, and we're going to do an unboxing together. So if you want to see me unbox this piece and tell you all about a resource that I bet most of you have never seen, just like I hadn't, then stick around. I want to thank Ciara from Headscarves by Ciara for sending me both of these pieces so that I could show you a straight piece and a wavy piece. But I'm going to tell you all about what she carries because she carries a whole lot more than what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to try to maybe up my editing skills here and see if while I'm telling you about a little bit of this, I can attach some sort of screenshots or video because you really need to see what she offers. But I'll make sure that everything is linked in the description so you can go click on the links below and go to her website and check everything out for yourself. Now, the story behind Headscarves by Ciara, and we're going to unbox this one in just a moment. So in 2010, she was going through chemotherapy, and she was 27 years old and was suffering from breast cancer, and she just couldn't find any quality head coverings that made her feel good. So she created her own, and I believe it really started with head coverings, which she still has at her website, and they're gorgeous. In 2018, she developed, designed, and created her own, what she calls gym wigs / pool wigs, and that's what I have on my head and in this box here. And so this is your kind of the type of headband wig that I've shown you guys in the past that has a hard front, but what's unique about this one is look at how thick that is. I think that creates so much more comfort and security than a super thin band sometimes can. And you guys, when I unboxed this piece, I actually thought she sent me human hair. I really, really did. I took it out and I said, wait a minute, I thought she was sending me synthetic. This feels so incredible. And look, there is no tangling. I have not had a single tangle in this piece. And I've worn it around the house. I've been really trying to get to know it, and not a single tangle. And the density is incredible. I am so pleased with this piece. It's nice and lightweight. Now, this is the headband, and a nice little touch with her name. So this is, and I'll talk a little bit about where she is, because this says UK. She is in the UK, but don't fret if you live in the United States or somewhere else. 60% of her business is international. We'll talk about that. So on the bottom here, where this headband is in the back, it actually, let me go this direction, it actually has Velcro, so that you can adjust this slightly to be a little tighter or a little looser if you would like. It also has silicone on the inside, which will help to grip your scalp, and it has wefting, closed wefting, that is meant to be worn both up and down. And according to Ciara, most like gym wigs, active wigs, are not designed to be worn both up and down, and it can pose some challenges, but she designed it to be worn both ways. And the fibers are the best feeling synthetic fibers ever, like really, really good. The color I have right here is Havana Brown. Both of my pieces are in this color, and she has a lot of color variety at her website as well. So let's talk a little bit about, so she's in Belfast, Ireland, And like I said, 60% of her business is international. She started, I already told you why she started it. She ships worldwide. Most of the time, she's able to ship with no additional fees, no customs fees, because she's able to, because her prices are really good. But if a purchase is made, just throw this on while I'm talking so you can see how easy it is to throw on. If a purchase is made that is, like if somebody buys multiple pieces and they feel the need to insure the shipment, then that could cause potential customs. If you're worried about purchasing from her, reach out to her and ask some questions. She does have multiple currencies at her website. So if you are in the US, you can see right on her website what the US dollar rate is, how much you'll be paying in US dollars. If you're in other countries, you can see it in your own currency, which I think is really awesome, because sometimes when you purchase from an overseas company, sometimes they have it in the currency of their country, and it can be really hard if you live in another country. So don't worry about that. That really is very transparent and very clear. Now, while I'm unboxing this piece, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the other things she carries, because it's not just these. First of all, it looks as though in all the wigs that she carries in both human hair and synthetic. So there really is something for everybody's price range, and the human hair is really reasonable. So look at this packaging, first of all. I mean, I am kind of a sucker for cute packaging, and this is really, really cute. And then on the back, it does tell you what kind of a piece you've gotten and how to care for it. That I really like. So let's open this up and see what we've got. Now, I know this is going to be a wavy piece. She told me she was sending a straight and a wavy, so I could give a good example of both. Let's see, what else do we have inside this box? We have got a little brochure with some information. And you guys, these pictures are a great example of some of the things she offers. She offers hat wigs with the hat attached and hat wigs without the hat attached. She offers fringe pieces. She offers head coverings. You guys, I get asked all the time if I know of really soft head coverings for people who maybe don't want to wear a wig sometimes and their head is irritated. She has them. Comes with both of my pieces came with 2 different headbands. And let's get into this. She has fringe pieces, like it's basically, it has a headband in the back and it has bangs and fringe. Honestly, you guys, the things that she offers, I've really never seen, and I love it. So here is the wavy piece. This one is definitely going to need to be brushed out. You can see that. Let me throw it on. This one, this is how it looked out of the box. All I did was run my comb through it, and that is all I had to do. It truly could not have been easier. This one is going to need to be brushed a little bit. Now let's talk about fit. These are fitting me really very nice and very snug. So I think this is going to be fine for somebody. Yeah, you guys can see this needs to be brushed. That's okay. We'll brush her out. You guys, if you have more of an average head measurement, now remember, these are heat friendly. So if this doesn't brush out in a way that I appreciate, I can take some heat to it and fix it right up. Or just stick with the straight pieces. You can style the straight pieces yourself too if you're able to curl. Yeah, it brushes so nice. Yeah, I think this is going to be really cute the more I play with it. I've just got to kind of work with these curls and relax them a little bit. And you know, one thing that I've done with heat-friendly pieces before when I didn't love the curl pattern is I took a hot air brush to it and I just sort of ran the hot air brush through it, and that'll relax out the curls. The other thing that's possible to do with these, let's throw this headband on, is to wear it in a ponytail. I'm like, what was I about to say you can do with these? You can wear it in a ponytail. Slide that back a little bit. These are fun. Turn around. No idea what the back's gonna look like. I probably should have unboxed the straight one. This one to me is just a little bit challenging out of the box, but no problem. I'm gonna work with it. I'll be able to get it the way I want it. And honestly, I love to wear my headband wigs up in ponytails. And with these curls, I think that would be a really fun ponytail. I think these curls look really darling in a ponytail. How fun. So let's kind of summarize, because this is really just an unboxing and an opportunity to tell you about a new resource. Headscarves by Ciara. If you're into gym wigs, swim wigs, she has a ton of variety. Lots and lots of choices. If, on the other hand, you're looking for accessories, you're looking for soft head coverings, you're looking for affordable hat wigs, or human hair, you're looking for unique fringe pieces. I mean, she had some fringe pieces at her site that give you bangs that you can wear underneath a hat, because it's got almost like, from what I could tell, almost like a headband like this, but instead of the hair being sewn onto the back, it's sewn onto the front so that you have fringe. So for those of you, I've gotten this question many, many times. You wear bangs, you want to wear a hat, but you don't want to wear, you need bangs to show through. That could be an option for you. I'm so thrilled about this. This is just gorgeous. So, Headscarves by Ciara, more details below. Thanks to the wig sister who told me about her. She did find her on Etsy, but Ciara does have a website, and she said it's cheaper to purchase through her website than to purchase on Etsy, because I'm sure because of the fees that Etsy charges her, she doesn't have to account for those from her website. So check out her website. You can always buy on Etsy. I'll make sure both are linked below. Thanks for watching, you guys, and thank you so much, Ciara. I'm really thrilled to tell all of my wig sisters about you. Talk to you guys in my next video. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.